Hello, YouTube viewers. This is Giggles. You guys probably know me as Danny or Daniel. Yeah, you can see I'm not in the swell of mood or best of mood. Got some family problems going on. Ay, ay, ay. It's a good thing I have. I don't know. Whatever. Well, this Saturday I'm going motorcycling with my sister and brother-in-law. Hopefully my nephew, I think, stays. I don't know. I think he's coming. I'm not sure. Either way, we're going motorcycling Saturday. Forgot where, but yeah. I'll try getting some video and putting it into a little montage type deal. Post it on YouTube. Alright, well, till then, see y'all later.